Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new End Task button in Windows 11 taskbar for Windows 11 build 25300. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Firstly, download Vive tool from the link given in description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following. After executing the command, you'll have the new End Task option. If you don't see it, try restarting your PC, and you'll have it there. However, this button doesn't work as of now, but maybe it will work from the next build. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.